Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Style, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, we can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way is to do it during the setup process of the watch. So basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can basically set up the watch without connecting it to a phone. So first I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. Now let's continue with the pairing. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by plugging it to a charger. Once you plug it to the charger, it will turn on automatically. And after the watch turns on and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the hello messages on the screen. Once you see them, tap on the screen to continue. Now you will see the list of languages. You can scroll through by swiping left and right, find the language you want to use, and then tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, as you can see, it will ask you if you want to pair with a phone. We want to do it, so tap on the check mark and the watch will enter pairing mode. Once it does, go to your iPhone and make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search bar and type in GARMIN Connect. And tap on search. Oh, I tapped it wrong, but here we have it, GARMIN Connect. Once you see this app, tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, if you see pop-up about the Bluetooth permission, tap on the OK to allow it, and then you will need to log in into a GARMIN Connect account. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account button. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on Sign In. Check the box right here. Then tap Next. Enter the email address and password. Then tap Next. Here we have the pop-up about the notification permission. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm gonna allow it. And once you're done with the permissions, you will see this page. Basically, the app automatically detected your watch. And once it does, you can tap on Connect it. Something went wrong. Let's try again. Let's tap on Retry. Tap on Start. And this time it worked. So basically we need to enter the code from the watch. And tap on Pair. Again, we can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Now we can tap on Next. Here we can set up a bedtime, so basically time when you go to sleep and when you wake up. This is useful if you want to use the Do Not Disturb mode during sleep, which basically mutes all of the notifications on your watch when you're sleeping, so you won't be disturbed during the sleep. And if you want to set it up, you can simply tap on bedtime, adjust it to your liking by swiping up and down, then wake time by swiping up and down, and then you can tap on yes or no if you want to turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode during sleep. Here we can select the preferred wrist, right or left, then tap Next. And right here we can select the preferred watch face. And then tap Next. Now we can set the goals, so basically like step goals, elevation, liquid and stuff like that. If you want to edit the goals, tap on Edit Goals. If you don't want to, tap on Keep Default Goals. And once you tap on edit goals, you can basically change the values right here by tapping on the box and entering the value you want. And then you can tap next. And here we have the location permission. If you want to track your routes for running, cycling and stuff like that on the map, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can keep it denied by tapping on skip. Next, we have the calendar access. This is needed for the events and stuff like that. If you want to manage the events or see the events on your watch, calendar events, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can keep it denied by tapping on skip. Then you can tap on manage permissions, and here we have the calendar. I don't know why it directed us here, but you can tap on calendar, you can select add events only, full access, and once you're done, you can go back to the app. Now tap on next, sync now. Tap on finish. Here you can learn something about the watch if you want to by tapping on next. I'm gonna tap on skip. Then no thanks, got it. And at this point you should see my day page of the app. You can tap on more and scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, select Vivomove Style, and here we have device page for our Vivomove Style, which means that the watch is paired with our iPhone. Okay, so that's how you pair the watch during the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it from the iPhone, disconnect it. And we're gonna connect it through the settings. So to connect the watch through the settings, we need to enter the pairing mode. To do it on this watch, wake up the screen on it by tapping on the screen twice. Sometimes it's a bit finicky, but once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the phone option. Once you find the phone option, tap on it to enter. Here, find the option called pair phone. Tap on it to enter. And the watch will enter pairing mode. Then you can download and install the app or open the app. Once the app opens, you can, if you installed it for the first time, you will need to log in, of course, and stuff like that. But we already logged in, so we can tap on plus. It will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect our watch automatically. For some reason, it didn't detect our watch. Let's try again. Let's re-enter the pairing mode. So let's tap on pair phone again. That's weird. I'm gonna reopen the app and try again. Oh, this time it detected it. Sometimes you need to basically either wait, reopen the app, re-enter the pairing mode for it to connect. Tap on connected, enter the pin from the watch. Tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission. Tap on next. Set up the bedtime. Select preferred wrist. Select the watch face. Set up the goals if you want to. Then tap on sync now. Finish. Skip tutorial or go through it. You can also set up more stuff if you want to. I'm gonna tap on not now, got it. And if you tap on more Garmin devices, you should see your Vivomove Style here, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.